to Wise Owl College. My name is Nubege, the Secretary of Wise Owl College. Wise Owl College is a computer and language school located at Busubi Tonjibu, officer upstairs. At Wise Owl College, we do computer classes from foundation to diploma. We do courses like cybersecurity, foundation to diploma level. We do data analysis, graphic design, technical support, and many other courses. And language classes like German classes, English classes, Holland classes, all those courses are offered in this school. At Wise Owl College, we can teach you many courses at your convenient time. And our mission is to improve the education of Gambians, young and old, reducing poverty through education and enabling people ascertain their goals of improving their work prospect. Welcome to Wise Owl College. You can contact us with our numbers like 766-0225, or you can email us at wiseowlcollege2008@gmail.com.
My name is Olajindo, the head and the principal of Wise Owl College. I'm located at Busubi Turntable. It's a center that conducts courses on ICT in different levels, foundation to diploma. We did networking. We did other courses like data analysis. We did language. We did data analysis from diploma to advanced. We did cybersecurity. And among many other courses we do at Wise Owl College. If you look at the small history about Wise Owl College, it was established in 2008. Then it has minimal staffs, few staff. Now the college is growing, and then we have trained over the years. We have trained hundreds of thousands of students, and many are having very good high positions within the departmental sectors in the Gambia. So actually, the school is repetition has been excelling. We don't do adverts in those because the students will do the advertisement for us based on the quality we have offered. So all this long, this center has been accredited with NACA since the NTA time, and now NACA has been accredited licensed to operate legally and to train individuals in various disciplines. So when we come to the ICT foundation cost, we have 4 modules in there. We have computer fundamental, where the students are introduced to hardware parts and know some parts of the computer, basically know their functions. Like you have to know what are input devices, what are output devices, what are combined set to have operating computer set, their functions, peripheral devices. Those are the things fundamentally you will deal with before you start to physically train the computers in your lab to be able to operate. So the other model is about file management, where students have to introduce manipulation of files, organizing the files, and then we will able to organize and operate in a departmental office when files are really organized, and then it can easily be used by colleagues even if you are not in the office. Then we have MS Word, where students are introduced to typing, organizing, preparing letters, writing memos, preparing their CVs, and so on. That will be under MS Word. So we have MS Excel, where students are introduced to basic calculations, able to have daily expenses, know what you do, how much you got all together in a specific period of time, so that you'll not just be spending randomly or you'll be doing things without notice financially. So Excel will definitely help. That will be the foundation. Then we have the intermediate, where students are introduced to 4 modules. You have MS Word, MS Excel, we have database, and we have PowerPoint presentation. So those are modules you cover in the intermediate. and these are having numerous things that you will cover definitely. Actually, in each of them, you have a lot of things to do. So, in the MS Words, you will be introduced to proper letter writing, proper introduction, essay writing, and then preparing documentations in different formats, converting documents to PDFs, converting PDFs back to words, and you name it. So you have to know at least some skills, and you should be introduced to some printing skills, how to print, how to scan. These are things you have to learn at that level because these are requirements in the labor market. So when we come to Microsoft Excel, we have formulas that we will definitely do, combinations of formulas where you can calculate if analysis, which is needed in every category in departments. Uh, and in institutions like educational institution, the university, the colleges, the schools, they need those formulas to evaluate marks of students, to know which grading they will definitely have, and so on. The banking sector, they need those formulas they use to do some deduction and adjustment of some variation in the accounting scale. So thereafter we have database. So actually every office needs a database where we'll be introduced to table creation, then we introduce to query creations, and then queries hubs, because you can create queries, they'll be waiting for data to maturely enter into them. Like for instance, I'll give this example of if you have a database, the PMO is the nucleus of every civil servant employed. They have this query created for the database for all employees, where if your retirement is due, because you have a date of birth, you create a query which will announce your name, and then when the moment your date of birth align that you are to the retirement age, it will remove your name from the normal full-time working employee. Then you go to the retirement. They will be notified, called, and said, then you next year you no more be working as a full timer. Your retirement is due. That is why many people will go for contract base because of their retirement is due. So if you go to PowerPoint, really a PowerPoint is where we do the market. It's presentations. Seminars, we need PowerPoint to do projections. In television broadcasting, we need PowerPoint because the project, and then able to do some little motional view where we have slideshow, where motions are created on the contents of slides. Like you can see some images are moving, different movement perspective. That is custom animations in PowerPoint, where you do several times. You have software that can do more actions of what you learn basically. So PowerPoint is a tool that is needed. Every seminar, every presentation, all workshops, they need PowerPoint to project what they are trying to present and then share with audience, and then to make it so much visible, and then brainstorm while people check on the screen. PowerPoint does that for you. So you run down our courses. We have networking as well, where students will learn how to do installations, and then connecting devices to share network, and then share these devices on a network based on wire or wireless network. And then this will now really um, introduction to network is a key factor because many devices are wireless based devices. So it's a requirement for the labor market. The requirements are, because these courses are professional courses, you need to be literate, you need to be able to read and write. So we require grade 9 or grade 12 certifications where you will able to come into the class and able to deliver, because we are trying to be a labor provider that will able to feed the labor market with quality and ethical people. So if your entry requirement was not met, we're going to create some remedial engagement to help you be in a better position to able to fit in the class so that you can able to take lectures accordingly. Wise Owl College is at the nucleus of Bruce Beaton Table, just opposite the flyover upstairs of After Customer Care now. Then you come there, we are upstairs. Then you just go up the stairs, and then to the left, we are at the left right corner of the stairs, just upstairs of After Customer Care. Our billboard too is upstairs there. You come, you will look up, you will see it up the balcony. Officially, our contact number is 7660225. 7660225. Email address is wiseowl at 2008 wiseowlcollege2008 Public, I have to convince them is we've been here, we did not send adverts, we've been doing good for over the years. And then that was based on quality assurance. We are operating based on quality. If the students comes, they will say, okay, go there now. So we want to notify people that that service that people are telling you is exists, and we are here doing more than we are doing before. We are adding value to that. We are saying welcome everyone who want to upgrade your CV, who want to upgrade your academics. You are welcome to come and take a part, and then you can change your life through Wise Our College. Thank you very much. You are welcome to Wise Our College.